Okay, please.
I don't...
Just please.
Can't I just read it?
No.
Why?
You've got to do it with feeling.
Okay, in some places I will.
Okay.
But I might cry at the end.
All right, that's let it out. Just do it now.
Okay. Wait, what's that?
Let me tell you, okay?
Let me tell you something before you die, Proto. Let me tell you about the reason my finger's around the trigger today. It comes down really to a very special girl. No, I'm not referring to Tifa, though she has played an important role in this girl. Her name is Valiant Sweet. Oh my god. I was screwed up.
Just do it.
Is your radio thing on? Turn it on. I want that name to be known throughout your ranks. That name is a rally cry. The fuel behind Team Sigma's Hellfire. You look confused. How major role could someone play in this war while her name is still unknown to you? I'll tell you. That girl, that sweet, amazing girl, has single-handedly boosted the team's morale to astronomically levels. She is my best friend, she is my therapist, she is my sister, she is, on a certain level, my daughter, and she played about a big role in this war as people on the front lines did. She deserves to be known. She deserves to be remembered for all she's done. Think about her. I want her story to be the last thing that passes through your mind.
Why so serious?
Gosh, I don't know.
Okay.